Align precisely, tension correctly, determine the correct fit. Technical tools for every step involved in belt drive systems.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Master Your Drive, the video series from Optibelt. I'm Sophia and today we'd like to give you an overview of our technical equipment. I've brought in some support for this. Hello, Patrick.
Hello, Sophia. It's great to be back again. Yes, I've brought along a whole range of technical devices and little helpers that can assist us with alignment and service.
Then let's take a direct look at what you've prepared for us.
All right. First of all, I'd say let's talk about the second generation laser pointer. We use it for aligning the pulleys on the drive so that everything is flush and runs properly.
Correct alignment is surely very important for the belt, isn't it?
Yes, you're right there. The alignment is indeed very important. As another important tool, we also have our Optibelt TT frequency meter. This is used to check and adjust the belt tension. It's suitable for both installation and maintenance purposes, and it's very precise and repeatable, which makes checking easier.
There's something else here in front that looks much more compact. What exactly is that?
Yes, that's our so-called OPTIKRIK. It's a small, cost-optimized helper that also serves to check and adjust the belt tension. We have it in 4 different measuring ranges, so depending on belt size and tension, the right range must be chosen. And yes, it's much more compact and simpler than having to carry a large, complex device around.
Very nice. What else have you brought for us here? These are surely for different belt types, right?
Yes, these are our Optibelt groove gauges. Let's start. We have the timing belt gauges, for example. We have those for the V-ribbed belts and for the V-belts. So with these, you can typically determine the tooth profile or the V-belt profile, but you can also use them to partially check and determine the pulleys, see if the contour fits, or perhaps even assess the degree of wear on the pulleys. Yes, all the little helpers shown so far are of course also available in a practical Optibelt service kit. That's our large case. We'll show it to you on screen now. Conveniently, you have everything with you and practically every little helper right there on site.
Great. Do we have another tool?
Yes, the last thing here on the table is the Optibelt measuring gauge. It's available in 2 different length ranges, up to a maximum of 3.5 meters, and with it, you can determine the length of common V-belts and V-ribbed belts.
Great. Thanks, Patrick, for the quick run-through. If you have any further questions about handling or the devices, feel free to visit our homepage at www.optibelt.com. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Master Your Drive, the video series from Optibelt.